Creating a culinary masterpiece for a dinner party can be a rewarding and memorable experience. Let's craft an elegant and sophisticated three-course meal that will impress your guests. Appetizer: pan-seared scallops with citrus beurre blanc. Ingredients: 12 large scallops, cleaned and patted dry. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 cup dry white wine. Juice of 1 lemon. Zest of 1 lemon. Zest of 1 orange. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cubed and chilled. Chopped fresh parsley, for garnish. Instructions: season the scallops generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking. Add the scallops to the skillet and cook for 2–3 minutes on each side until golden brown and caramelized. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Remove the scallops from the skillet and transfer them to a plate. Cover loosely with foil to keep warm. In the same skillet, pour in the white wine, lemon juice, lemon zest, and orange zest. Bring to a simmer, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Reduce the heat to low and gradually whisk in the chilled butter, a few cubes at a time, until the sauce is smooth and velvety. Be sure not to let the sauce boil. Once all the butter has been incorporated, season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. To serve, spoon the citrus beurre blanc onto plates, arrange the scallops on top, and garnish with chopped parsley. Main course: herb-crusted rack of lamb with rosemary, roasted potatoes and asparagus. Ingredients: 2 racks of lamb, Frenched and trimmed. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 1 cup breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh rosemary. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh thyme. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 pound baby potatoes, halved. 1 bunch asparagus, trimmed. Fresh rosemary sprigs, for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Season the racks of lamb generously with salt and pepper, then brush them with Dijon mustard. In a bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, chopped rosemary, chopped thyme, minced garlic, and olive oil. Mix until well combined. Press the breadcrumb mixture onto the mustard-coated racks of lamb, covering them evenly. Place the lamb on a roasting rack set over a baking sheet and roast in the preheated oven for 20–25 minutes for medium rare, or until the internal temperature reaches 130,135 degrees Fahrenheit, 55–57 degrees Celsius. While the lamb is roasting, toss the halved baby potatoes with olive oil, salt, pepper, and chopped rosemary. Spread them out on a separate baking sheet. After the lamb has been roasting for about 10 minutes, add the potatoes to the oven and roast them alongside the lamb until golden and tender, about 20–25 minutes. In the last 10 minutes of cooking, add the trimmed asparagus to the baking sheet with the potatoes. Drizzle with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast until crisp tender. Remove the lamb from the oven and let it rest for 5–10 minutes before slicing. To serve, slice the rack of lamb into individual chops and arrange them on plates with the roasted potatoes and asparagus. Garnish with fresh rosemary sprigs. Dessert: molten chocolate lava cakes with raspberry coulis. Ingredients: 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped. 1/2 cup unsalted butter. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Fresh raspberries, for garnish. Powdered sugar, for dusting. Raspberry coulis. 1 cup fresh raspberries. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Grease 4 ramekins with butter and dust with cocoa powder. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the chopped chocolate and butter. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between, until melted and smooth. Alternatively, You can melt the chocolate and butter in a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, double boiler. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually pour the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly until smooth and glossy. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for 12–14 minutes, or until the edges are set but the centers are still soft. While the lava cakes are baking, prepare the raspberry coulis. In a blender or food processor, puree the raspberries, sugar, and lemon juice until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the seeds. Once the lava cakes are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for 1–2 minutes. Carefully invert each lava cake onto a plate and remove the ramekin. The center should be gooey and molten. Drizzle the raspberry coulis around the lava cakes and garnish with fresh raspberries and a dusting of powdered sugar. Serve immediately and enjoy the decadent chocolatey goodness. With these recipes, you'll surely create a culinary masterpiece that will leave your guests in awe and craving more. Enjoy your dinner party and the wonderful memories you'll create.